evening and thanks for joining us. A Brazos County jury took less than an hour this evening to find a woman guilty of physically abusing her 6-year-old stepdaughters, resulting in a child's death. Jessica Bundren and the girl's father, Justin Hopper, were accused in 2020 of physically abusing both girls for not eating fast enough and bedwetting. News 3's Donnie Tuggle was in the courtroom today and has the latest.
Brazos County prosecutors made their case to a jury as to why Jessica Bundren should be found guilty of intentionally causing harm to her twin stepdaughters, Patience and Arianna, leading to Arianna's death at just 6 years old back in 2020.
The belt, the paddle, the floor, the wall, whatever it was, you know that it was capable of causing death or serious bodily injury because that's why we're here. It did cause death.
The district attorney's office saying both girls underwent long-term abuse at the hands of Bundren and the girls' father, Justin Hopper, saying the girls were beaten with belts and wooden paddles. Attorneys highlighting text messages found between the two documenting the abuse.
5 swats, another round of spankings, 30 minutes, over and 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 over every damn day.
Defense attorneys didn't agree, saying Justin was the one abusing the children. Attorneys at one point asking the judge to declare a mistrial.
I'm going to instruct the jury to make its own decision about the evidence in the case. That's what the law is. It's for you to decide this. I move for mistrial. Denied.
A medical expert for the defense testifying that the presence of male DNA on her body made it medically challenging to determine the source of the trauma.
And in a way, looking at it scientifically, you don't know and you can't put blame or fault as to who may have inflicted those injuries, or the majority, or the injuries that ultimately took Arianna's life.
It is not the job of the forensic pathologist to determine who did what. It's our job to determine what happened.
In the end, prosecutors asking the jury to bring justice for this family.
I'm asking you to do the last thing that I need you to do. Well, not quite. I need you to do this thing and then one more thing. I need you to find her guilty of what she did so that we can move to the next step.
And BRYAN, Donnie Tuggle, News 3.
The father of the twins will have his day in court later this month. The sentencing phase of Bundren will begin tomorrow morning.